Okay, so welcome to this demo of the new features that we added during this release change, which is the support of Spring Boot application in the OpenShift server adapter. So as a reminder, the server adapter is a tool that allows you to hot deploy and debug remote OpenShift application. So here I have a Spring Boot application which is deployed on my local OpenShift environment, which is the CDK. So I will create the server adapter. So when you create a server adapter, you need to specify a local Eclipse project and a remote OpenShift deployment, and it will synchronize those two different assets. So when you first create the server adapter, it will establish a synchronization phase which will be based on AirSync. So we need to wait this synchronization phase. So we'll see here the message of files that has been exchanged between the two environments. Okay, so republish is required, so we need to wait until it's fully published. Okay, that should be okay. The server is synchronized now. So we can check the hot deploy feature. So let's see, for example, that we had a different message from JBoss tools, and we will save the file. So it will be compiled by Eclipse, and the change will be sent to the remote OpenShift deployment. Here we can see the .class file which is being sent. So if we try to access our application, let's try to refresh. Okay, now we can see that our code change has been sent to our remote OpenShift application. Now we will try to debug our application, so we need to restart the server adapter in debug mode so that the OpenShift deployment will be recreated, because we need to restart the Java virtual machine because it's a Java based application in debug mode. Okay, so same as before, we have a publishing phase. So we need to wait until the publishing phase is finished. Okay, so it's synchronized. Let's check at the pod log, so you can see that there are two pods, but one will be soon be killed. If we look at the code, okay, so it's trying to restart the application. Okay, so that should be okay. Our previous pod is now being restarted, and if we try to access our application again, okay, now the debugger will be spawned. We hit the breakpoint that we set in our code, and we can check the value of the arguments or whatsoever. So that was it, a new feature in the server adapter. Thank you.